Stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can get a pair of Maono headphones completely free. Sound quality is by far the most important element that you can have in your videos. People can forgive a bad image, but they will not extend the same courtesy if your audio is bad. Let's go on to take a look at the new Maono's headphones, the AU-MH60. With a beautiful, very comfortable and adjustable design, these headphones position themselves in a very competitive field. But with a very affordable price of $42.99, Maono's new family member will make your wallet very happy. But what about sound quality? Can these headphones really help you as a content creator? The answer is yes. I create all of my content utilizing KineMaster, which means that I do all of my editing with my cell phone. Since cell phone speakers are not that powerful, you need a reliable audio source. I highly recommend to get a pair of headphones like this one. This also applies to people who edit their content on their computer as well. Computer and laptop speakers are not much different than cell phones in some cases. The two most important things you should look for when choosing audio headphones are frequency and comfort. The human hearing ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Maono delivers precisely between these ranges. Maono has two 50mm large speakers for clear sound and over-the-top comfort, powerful bass, high resolution, and crisp high tones, which make these headphones the perfect partner for when you are editing your videos. They also come with one cable for all access, a 3-meter long cord with 3.5mm plug, and extra two 6.3mm adapter plugs. All cables are fully detachable, providing you with an easy solution to manage all your audio devices. Since these headphones are professional grade, you can use them for gaming as well. They do not come equipped with microphone, but they are great for adventure gaming. I am going to emphasize on comfort. Everyone knows that the most tedious process of content creation is editing. It is also the longest and the one that you should pay the most attention to. Having comfortable headphones will make this process more enjoyable. There is always something that separates one product from the rest. If I have to pick one benefit I'm getting from these headphones besides their great sound and performance, it will be comfort. The one thing I will improve is the coil style cable. Some people find it useful. To me, they offer no benefits. On a scale from 1 to 5, I will give the new Maono headphones a 4.5 point. That way I can leave some little room for improvement. You can get these headphones for free by following me on Instagram and by subscribing to this channel. If you wish to buy them on Amazon, the link is in the description box below. The rules for the giveaway are on my Instagram page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, activate that notification bell, and I will see you next time on the water.